Welcome to Career Tech Insight. Look, today we're not just talking about some far-off future of work. We are breaking down a massive signal about the future of your job right now and why the next 18 months are going to be absolutely make or break for every single white-collar professional. So let's just get right into it.
Just let that sink in for a minute. The most expensive high-tech project at one of the biggest companies in the world, it isn't just some new gadget. It is a direct reflection of where this entire industry is heading. So, when you look into that mirror, what do you see? Do you see a threat? Or do you see an opportunity? Honestly, this is the central question we're tackling today, because how you answer it is going to define your career from this moment on.
Okay, let's dive into Section 1. The biggest signal about your job security in 2026? Well, it's not buried in some boring analyst report. Nope, it's coming straight from Mark Zuckerberg's virtual corner office.
Now, this is not just some fancy chatbot, okay? We're talking about a photorealistic 3D avatar. It's been trained on everything: Zuckerberg's voice, his mannerisms, even his private business strategies. And its mission? To conduct one-on-one meetings with all 75,000 Meta employees. We're talking personalized feedback, even handling promotion requests. This is the flagship product for what Meta is calling personal superintelligence, an AI literally designed to act on your behalf.
I know. The first temptation is to kind of laugh this off, right? Call it a billionaire's weird vanity project. But you have to resist that impulse. This is a cold, calculated, and frankly, brutal signal coming from the very top of one of the world's most powerful companies.
And here's where it gets really serious. That AI clone, it isn't even the whole story. The real story, the one you need to pay attention to, is the mind-boggling amount of money they're pouring into the machinery behind it.
$135 billion. That's the high-end projection for Meta's capital spending in 2026. Just let that number wash over you for a second. To put that into perspective, that's enough cash to build 90 brand new NFL stadiums. It's almost the entire annual budget for the state of New York.
And just look at this jump. I mean, look at it. They're nearly doubling their spending in a single year. This isn't some small experiment. This is an industrial-scale retooling of the entire company. And it's all focused on one thing: AI infrastructure. We're talking data centers, GPUs, power grids, the works.
So let's be crystal clear about this. Meta isn't just adding a new AI department. No way. They are fundamentally gutting their own corporate structure and rebuilding the entire company's foundation around silicon and raw computing power.
And what's all that money buying? A massive leap in their tech. For years, everybody thought Meta's open-source AI models were kind of trailing behind. Well, not anymore. Their new model, Muse Spark, is a total reinvention. It's a top 5 global AI, and here's the kicker: it's proprietary. It's closed source. The days of Meta just giving away its best tech for free? Yeah, those are over.
Okay, so now let's connect all of this back to you, to your job. Because this massive investment, it's not just about building cool new technology. It's about completely changing how white-collar work gets done by targeting entire roles, entire job categories for replacement.
And this is where the rubber really meets the road. Think about it. Before AI, the model was one manager overseeing a handful of people. The new model that Meta's chasing, it's one AI agent overseeing as many as 50 workers. They're aiming for what they call a radically flattened organization. And trust me, AI is the steamroller.
So who's in the crosshairs? Well, it's pretty much any role that's all about coordination. We're talking middle managers, HR coordinators, project managers, analysts. Basically, if your job is to move information from one person to another or from one system to another, your role is on this list. This is a direct assault on the very core of the white-collar economy. And why does this matter so much on a personal level? Well, take a look at your own financial life. For most of us professionals, our future income stream, that giant 90% slice of the pie, it completely dwarfs whatever we have in savings. A single 18-month disruption to that income stream can literally wipe out more than a decade of your financial progress. This isn't just a career risk, people. This is a potential catastrophe.
Okay, that's the warning. I know it's a lot, but now let's talk about the solution. This is not hopeless, but surviving this wave, it requires a deliberate, immediate plan of action. So let's walk through the playbook.
All right, here are the new rules for survival. Step 1, extend your financial runway. 6 months of savings, that's old news. The new emergency fund is 12 months minimum. Step 2, build AI literacy.
You have to learn how to direct AI, not get replaced by it. That means mastering prompting and learning how to orchestrate AI agents. Step 3, and this is the big one, shift from coordination to creation. You need to move towards solving brand new problems, making tough judgment calls, the stuff AI still can't do. And finally, step 4, watch the governance gap. As companies scramble to adopt AI, there's a huge, huge need for people who understand AI security and compliance. This is the next frontier. Learn the rules before they're even written.
So let's end with this, because it's really the ultimate takeaway here. The change isn't coming. It's already here. It's funded with $135 billion. The only variable left in this whole equation is you. If you found this valuable, please don't keep it to yourself. Share it. Send it to a colleague you know in HR, or project management, or analytics who needs to see this right now. Hit that like button and subscribe for more insights that are going to help you navigate the future of your career.